Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to blur any part of an image in Canva. It's really easy. I'm using the free version of Canva, so this tutorial will be helpful for everyone. I've already added a photo to my design, and to blur it, select the photo and then click on Edit Photo. Then a toolbar will appear and then you need to scroll down until you see Effects and click on Blur. And then you can choose for two options. You can choose to blur the whole image and adjust the intensity by sliding the button all the way to the right. Or you can blur a specific part of the photo like the words wedding day, and you can adjust the brush size and intensity for this. But remember, once you apply the blur effect, you can't change the size of the area you blurred. For example, if you want to use 14% intensity to blur something, you see a big difference compared to using 100%. At 100%, the black circle completely disappeared by using the brush. You can also delete what you blurred if you click on Remove. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below, and I do my best to assist you if you face any issues. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and don't forget to give it a like and consider subscribing.